Hey, what's up guys? I'm Dave. Today I'm going to unbox and review a pair of Sansi 50-watt LED floodlights to help illuminate my workshop. You're watching Parts and Restoration. Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be unboxing some cool stuff. I've had some issues with lighting in my shop. I reached out to my friends at Sansi. Sansi makes lights of all different kinds. And I asked them to send me a couple lights to try out for my shop, and they were kind enough to do that. I saw these lights at another YouTuber's studio, or his shop. For those of you who know Chris Zepp, Make Everything Shop, Chris was running these lights. And I'll tell you what, Chris makes good videos, he makes cool stuff, and the lighting that he has in his shop is spectacular. Okay, so I'm opening these for the first time. Well packed, come with manuals. So what we have here is a high power 8 LED outdoor security light. Just from the looks of it, feeling it in my hands, it feels pretty solid. Each one of these LEDs looks like it's pretty well put together. Everything is very solid. These little plastic grates along here, they creak a little bit, but I'm pushing on them, and I don't think I'm gonna break them. I think they could probably take a decent hit. Yeah, you know what? This is here. It's a little thin. Just doesn't feel super strong, but I'm not gonna be beating on this thing. Let's see. Let's hook it up. Hello. All of the lights are running. Not really throwing off any significant amount of heat, which is good. Like a daytime light almost. It's not blue. It's got a little bit of hint of yellow to it, if I'm looking at the LED. Mounting methods. Okay, so those are mounts. These are anchor mounts. Ooh, it's in German. Not even gonna try. I'll sound dumb. Lovely. It's a good manual. Nobody cares about that. All right. So, let's get the other one out. Quick little quality assessment on the second light. Same deal. Strong outside body. A little bit weak in the grillage at the back, but that's not a hang-up for me. Nice metal U-channel that's got the mounting brackets on it. Adjustable thumb knobs. And it's got a nice positive lock. Now there's some kind of a plastic washer in between here. Just a friction stop. If you're going to use these as a security light, you'd set them up and leave them. As for what I'm doing, I think the adjustability of these will be plenty sufficient with thumb knobs. I'm pretty happy with that. Contact. Oh! Man, that really is bright. And number two. Oh, god damn. We are in business. Let me show you what I've got set up here. So, when I'm working in the shop, I want really good lighting. And this is the kind of lighting I'm normally dealing with. It's a little bit warmer, but also there's a lot of really dark, shadowy spots in my shop that I want to be able to shoot in. I think we have a pretty good lighting situation going on here. Like, I'm really pleased with the way that looks. Here, I'll even turn the lights off. Let's set one of these up over by the lathe. Whatever. You don't need to do this. Okay, interesting turn of events. So, when I went to go unclamp this from the pipe that it was mounted on the C-clamp, it fell down and it banged off of my workbench. What happened? So, this protective grating popped off. Got a little bit of bend in the injection molded plastic little grabbers there, but nothing broke. I'm impressed with that. Not a serious fall, but enough. So this popped off, but it just kind of clips right back in there. Imagine like one of those model kits for little kids where they just snap together. 1, 2, and we're back in the fight. Nothing broke. I'm pleased with that. Well done. This looks beautiful with all this light on it. Did one up high and another down low to knock out some of those shadows. It looks beautiful. Bye-bye lights. This is what we were dealing with before. And lights, camera, action. Back at it. Okay, so I'm an educated consumer. I like this light. I actually have a light running right now. It is very bright. I like the way it looks in the shop, and overall I'm pretty pleased with what I've gotten. But I wanted to learn a little bit more about the company. So here I am on their website, sansilighting.com. So Sansi was established in 1993. Their headquarters in Shanghai, China, and they have U.S. operations in California since 2010. They employ over 500 engineers. They have 372 domestic and foreign patents. I mean, that's pretty interesting. Yep, this is ours. 50 watt, 5-year warranty. That's cool. I can get down with that. It's rated for a 50,000 hour lifespan, waterproof and durable, at a $40 price point, especially with Amazon Prime. You really can't beat that. Okay, so unique hollow design and patented ceramic heat dissipation technology greatly reduce light decay and extend the light's lifespan. Okay, so each one of these LED diodes here has some ceramic, and you can feel it, definitely feels like a coffee mug, ceramic heat dissipator. So they've got a ton of surface area on them, so you can run these things probably all day, and they've got a ton of surface area to dissipate that heat. Additionally, the way they're mounted on here, they're basically right through a wide open airspace that air can circulate, especially if you're using this outside, or if you have some cross draft in your shop or wherever you're going to place this thing. These things can probably run just about straight through without burning out, just because they're not going to get so hot with these cool ceramic bits here. I'm impressed. All right, cool. So overall, I think this is going to make a great addition to my shop. I think it's going to improve the quality of my videos. I think as far as if this is going to be a security light for outdoor use, I think that's fantastic. I actually saw a couple videos on that. If you're interested in this for security light use, check out those videos. But again, Sansi 50 watt outdoor floodlight, outdoor LED floodlight, excuse me. Available on Amazon for $39.99, I believe. I'll post a link in the description at the bottom. Thanks again for Sansi for sending these lights along. Very pleased with this. You guys are great. And yeah, if I need LEDs in the future, I'm definitely going to contact these guys first. Hey guys, thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned something about Sansi. They make a really nice product. I'm really pleased with what I got, and going forward, I think it'll help improve the quality of my videos overall. A little bit about me. I now have presences on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Reddit, in addition to YouTube, so be sure to follow me along on those platforms if you use them. Here on YouTube, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to share with your friends if you enjoyed. So, I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you soon.